Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. In the last class, we have completed the exercise in the page number 23. We have completed till 15th main, right? In the grammar, English grammar. Today, we are going to complete the next remaining mains. Okay. The next main is from the countable and uncountable nouns. From countable and uncountable nouns. First main in that from page number 24. I said you in the last class itself, we are going to continue the remaining parts in the next class, right? From the page number 24. Today we are going to complete this. This first main in this, fill in the blanks with the plurals of words given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with the plurals of words given in brackets. First one question. Today is a busy day. I have 5 dash. I have 5 dash. In the bracket they have given class. In the bracket they have given class. What is the answer for this? First one, classes. Classes. You are writing the plural for fill in the blanks with the plurals of words given in brackets. Plural you have to write. Okay. Second one, many dash go to work nowadays. Many dash go to work nowadays. In bracket they have given women. The what you have to write? Women. Third one, this month I have 2 dash. In the bracket they have given holiday. Holidays. You have to write holidays. Fourth one, I want to grow some dash in my vegetable garden. I want to grow some dash in my vegetable garden. In the bracket they have given tomato. You have to write tomatoes. You have to write tomatoes. There were a lot of dash at the market. They have given in the bracket person. Person. What you have to write the answer? Plural form. People. People. Sixth one. Dash give out a lot of smoke. Dash give out a lot of smoke. In the bracket they have given factory. In the bracket they have given factory. Factories. Sixth one, factories. Seventh one, I have visited more than 6 different dash country. They have given country. You have to write countries. You have to write countries. Eighth one, I'm going to write here. Eighth one, look at those dash goes. Look at those dash easy. Ninth one, the girl has many dash in her hair. What are answer for this? I saw 5, 10th one. I saw 5 dash in the sky. Aircraft. I saw 5 dash in the sky. Aircraft. They have given air. You have to write 10th one, aircraft. We have completed the first main, children. We'll go for the second main. Second main. In the page number 25. In the page number 25, underline the right form of the nouns. Underline the right form of the noun. They have given the answers, 2 options in the bracket. You have to underline the right form of nouns. Have strawberries, strawberries. Have a lot of vitamin C. Which you will underline? Which you will underline in this? Strawberries, strawberries have a lot of vitamin C. Strawberry will underline? No, no. First one you will underline strawberries. First one answer is strawberries. Second one, they have 2 children. They have given in the bracket child or children. What you will, which one you will underline in this? They have 2 child or children? Children. Children. They have 2 children. The cat killed all the mouse. They have given in the bracket mouse or mice in the house. In the house. Which one you will underline? Third one, mice. Fourth one, the 2 in the bracket they have given wolf or owls killed 30. In the again in the bracket they have given sheep or sheep. Which one you will underline? Wolves. Second one answer sheep. Fifth one, this beach. In the bracket they have given beaches is full of people in summer. Which one you will underline? This beach. This beach is full of people in summer. Sixth one, this in the bracket they have given dishes are clean. Are clean. Sixth one, dishes. Seventh one, have a pieces of cake. Which one you will underline? Piece or pieces? Have a piece of cake. Have a piece of cake. Eighth one, he has many hobbies. He has many hobbies. He has many hobbies. Ninth one, there are some flies on the food. Which one you will underline? Fly or flies? Flies. If flies. The last one I'm going to write here. 10th one, the child has got a broken tooth or teeth. Which one you will underline? The child has got a broken tooth. Okay, children, we have completed the second main. We'll go for the third main. I'm going to erase the first main. Complete it. If you didn't complete, if you are very slow, pause the video and complete it. Don't keep incomplete. I'll keep on repeating in all the classes. Write, you have to write fast. Practice writing fast, children. And Mama, don't tell that Mama has told to write fast, so we'll scribble and we'll write. No, no. It's not good. You have to write neatly and you have to write very fast also. Practice, practice, okay? Third main, fill in the blanks with some, a few, many, or any. You have to use this many words. Fill in the blanks with some, a few, many, or any, First one, third main, first one in the page number 25. In the page number 25, there are dash fish in the pond. There are dash fish in the pond. Many. First one is many. Many fish in the pond. Bobby is happy because he did not make dash mistakes in the test. Dash mistakes in the test. Any mistakes in the test. Third one, Chintu has dash pets. Chintu has dash pets. A few. A few pets. Fourth one, there are only dash children in the playground today because it is very hot. Because it is very hot. What is the answer for this? There are only a few children. A few children. Fifth one. How dash sketch pens are there in the box? How dash sketch pens are there in the box? Many. How many sketch pens are there in the box? Sixth one. We watched dash films during the holidays. During the holidays. I am repeating the question. You have to understand and you have to know the answer. Before I tell you the answer, you have to know. See, that is what I'll be repeating the questions two times. We watched dash films during the holidays. During the holidays means many. Many is the answer for sixth one. We watched many films during the holidays. Seventh one. My bag is light. My bag is light. Light means it doesn't have weight. Light. There are only dash books in it. There are only a few books in it. Eighth one. I have dash chocolates. Do you want dash? I have dash chocolates. Do you want dash? Eighth one. Many chocolates. Do you want some? Do you want some? Okay, children, we have completed the third main. Hope you have understood how to answer this. Third main we have completed. We'll go for the fourth main. In the page number 25. We'll go for the fourth main. You have to underline the right word. Underline the right word. He does not have they have given the options in the bracket. I'm going to read the two options also. He does not have a few or many friends. Which is the answer for this? First one, many. He does not have many friends. He does not have a few friends. Can you tell like this? No. He does not have many friends. He does not have many friends. Second one. I eat a or an clove of garlic every day. I eat a. Answer is for second one A. Clove of garlic every day. How many is the third one. How much eggs are there in the fridge? Which is the answer for this? Third one. Many. Fourth one. Are there one or many apples on the tree? Are there one or many apples on the tree? Fourth one answer is many. Fourth one answer is many. Fifth one, drop a or an coin into the box. Drop a coin. Fifth one answer is A. Sixth one, there are many or any mosquitoes in the house. There are many. Sixth one answer is many. Many mosquitoes in the house. Seventh one, how much or many? How much or many days make a week? Seventh one answer is how many days make a week? How many? Eighth one, there are many or any rivers in India. There are many or any rivers in India. Many. Eighth one answer is also an many. There are many rivers in India. We have completed the fourth main, children. Now we'll go for the page number 27, first main. In the page number 27, we'll go for the first main, that is uncountable nouns. Okay. Now I'm going to erase this third main. Please write neatly with the pencil in the grammar textbook. If you make mistakes, then you will read the mistakes only. So write properly, neatly, and while you are writing, look at the video properly and write. Okay. First main in the page number 27. In the page number 27. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. You have to write the using the suitable words. First one, dash, a dash, chalk. They have given the pictures beside the sentence. They have given the pictures. Okay, can you see, children? They have given the pictures beside the sentence. So by seeing that you have to answer. A dash, chalk. Piece of chalk. A piece of chalk. Second one, a dash of furniture. A dash of furniture. A piece of furniture. Third one, a dash soap. A dash soap. Bar of soap. A bar of soap. Fourth one, a dash bread. A slice of bread. Slice of bread. Fifth one, a dash luggage. A dash luggage. Fifth one, a dash luggage. Piece of luggage. Sixth one, a dash paper. A sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Seventh one, a cup, a dash tea. Seventh one, a cup of tea. A cup of tea, sorry. A cup of tea. Eighth one, a dash jeans. A pair of jeans. A pair of jeans. A dash of toothpaste. a tube of toothpaste. 10th one, a dash of clothes. A dash of clothes. A pair of clothes. 11th one, a dash of scissors. A dash of scissors. A pair of scissors. Twelfth one, a dash of sunglasses. A dash of sunglasses. A pair of sunglasses. A pair of sunglasses. We have completed the first main. In this, we go for the second main in the page number 27. In the page number 27, we'll go for the next main, second main. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Fill in the blanks with the given words. They have given the options in the bracket at the top of the sentences. You have to choose that and you have to write the proper answer. I want to be first one, I want to be very rich. I will earn dash money when I grow up. First one answer is a lots of money. Second one, the tea is too sweet. The tea is too sweet. There is a sugar in it. A lot of sugar. A lot of sugar. A lot of sugar. Third one, I had a dash salt to the salad. It tasted nice. A little salt to the salad. It tasted nice. It tasted nice. Fourth one. We don't like chili, so mother does not use dash chili in the food. Answer is any. Fifth one, too dash pollution is caused by cars these days. Too much pollution is caused by cars these days. Much. Sixth one, don't worry, you have dash time to prepare for the exams. To prepare for the exams. A lot of time to prepare for the exams. Seventh one, I would like dash water, please. Some water. Eighth one, she has good news for us. She has some good news for us. Ninth one, you can buy this book. It has dash information. A lot of information. 10th one, he does not have dash knowledge about computers. He does not have dash knowledge about computers. Any. We have completed the second main in this. We'll go for the third main, children. I'm going to erase the first main. Tick the right verb. Third main in the page number 28. Tick the right verb. First one. They've given for each one. They've given two options. You have to put the tick mark on the right box. The police dash on duty. The police. Third main, page number 28. The police dash on duty. First one answer is R. Second one, my pants dash new. R new. Third one, all the furniture in the house dash made of wood. Is made of. Fourth one, this tourist dash many pockets. Have. Fifth one, grandma's spectacles dash a gold frame. Have a gold frame. Sixth one, or aerobics dash good exercise. Is a good exercise. Seventh one, this scissors dash sharp are sharp. Eighth one, the news dash shocking is shocking. The news is shocking. Ninth one, my savings dash in the bank are in the bank. These days, most people dash cell phones. Have cell phones. We have completed a third main, children. We are going for the fourth main. Fourth main. I'm going to erase the second main. Don't simply copy, children. Please read the sentence or the question and try to answer. Then you will understand. Okay. Fourth main. Find the errors in the following and correct them. Find the errors in the following and correct them. I bought a pen. The first one is I bought a pen. You have to find the errors in the following and correct them. I bought a pen. First one, I bought some pants or a pair of pants. Sorry. Pants. Second one, give me a paper. You have to correct. You have to find out the error and you have to correct them. Give me a paper. Give me some paper or a piece of paper. Piece of paper. She wants. See, they have not given the space to write the sentence. You have to write the proper sentence beside. Okay, beside the question. She wants a scissor to cut the paper. Third one, she wants a scissor to cut the paper. Answer, she wants a pair of scissors. Scissors to cut the paper. Fourth one, Fourth one, Meera bought some furnitures. Meera bought some furnitures. Meera bought some furniture. Fifth one, he has 5 languages. He has 5. Sorry, he has 5 luggages. He has 5 luggages. The answer is he has 5 pieces of luggage. Sixth one, my father gave me some advices. My father gave me some advices. My father gave me some advice. My father gave me some advice. Some advice. Some advice. I'll erase this third, my children. We'll continue the next remaining seventh one here. Seventh one, Tagore wrote many poetries. Tagore wrote many poetries. Tagore wrote a lot of poetry. Eighth one, I would like an information. I would like an information. I would like some information. Like some information. Ninth one, Manoj has a lot of works to do. Manoj has a lot of works to do. What is the answer for this? Manoj has a lot of work to do. Tenth one, there are 2 chalks on the table. There are 2 chalks on the table. Tenth one, there are 2 pieces of chalk on the table. On the table. We have completed the 4th main, children. We'll go for the 5th main. Pause this video and complete it. Okay? Write neatly. Don't write big, children. Write small. Okay? I'll erase this side. The last main in this nouns, last main, 5th main, in the page number 29. 5th main, page number 29. Read the passage below. Read the passage below. Whenever I am at home, I listen to the radio. These days, there are many good radio stations that play music throughout the day. Throughout the day. The stations play both old songs and new songs. They also broadcast some talks by famous people. They give us a lot of information on what's happening around us. And of course, there are jokes that make it all the more enjoyable. The advertisements give us the latest updates on the market. The best of them all is the health talk, in which a doctor answers questions on issues related to health. Say whether the following are countable or uncountable nouns. Write C or U. If it is countable, you have to write C. If it is uncountable, you have to write U. Okay. Radio can we count? No. First one they've given radio. It's countable. We can count now. How many stations are there in radio, right? Songs. Second one, jokes. It's a countable. Songs we can count. That also we can count. That is countable. Fourth one, advertisement. That also we can count. Fifth one, music. It's uncountable. So write U. That's enough. Uncountable. Sixth one, doctor. It's a countable. Seventh one, people. It's a countable. Eighth one, questions. Questions also we can count. That is also a countable noun, isn't it? Ninth one, information. It's a uncountable noun. So you write only U. 10th one, health. Health can be counted. No. So we should write uncountable. So write only U. Okay. Hope you have understood very well what is noun, what are the kinds of nouns, right? Okay, children, we have completed the noun part. We'll go to the next pronoun in the next class. Pronouns. Okay. Hope you have understood. Complete this in your grammar textbook. Don't write in a classwork or somewhere in the homework. Okay. Complete this in your grammar textbook by using pencil. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.